Yeah, so it's dead. I have work to do. Let's see. Well, I see the engine computer doesn't respond. So we have two options. Either the CAN wires are interrupted, either the plus wires, the red ones. Yeah, I see this is not the first time when the engine harness is open. Yeah, this is the one. Operating. I think the best option to put an end to this never-ending problem with the wires and electrical issues on DAF trucks, I think the best solution is to remove all the engine harness and repair it wire by wire. Or you have an option to buy a new second-hand one from the graveyard, but it's 80% the chances to find another one with the same big problems. Yeah, so I've checked all the wires here for this part of harness and not even one wire was interrupted. But now I'm going under to check the engine harness for broken wires, because I'm 90% sure that I will find some broken wires. Okay. I can barely see what written. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 interrupted. Okay, now let's see if it starts, if I can connect to the engine computer. I think it will work now. Yeah. So I'm connected. Let's start it. Good. All this work for some wires and all these problems. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was useful to you, and if it was, please hit that subscribe and like button. See you in the next video.